Do you have a garden bed or patch with soil that just doesn't seem to support healthy growth? It's something a lot of gardeners face, and it can feel like nothing will work. But there's a way to transform your soil from lifeless and compact to nutrient-rich and thriving with beneficial microbes in just a few days. This method will give your garden bed a fresh start, creating a vibrant home for your plants. We're going to go through each step to make this happen. The first step is a little time-consuming, but completely worth it. You'll need charcoal, which will be the long-term home for beneficial microbes. Charcoal has a unique structure that can house and protect microbes for years, offering a stable environment that will continuously enrich your soil. Start by breaking the charcoal into small pieces. It doesn't need to be super fine, but you want smaller pieces to create plenty of surface area for microbes to attach to. Once your charcoal is in pieces, it's time to activate it and add beneficial microbes. Put the crushed charcoal into a 5-gallon bucket and pour in non-chlorinated water, or rainwater if you have it available. The reason we avoid chlorinated water is that it can kill off some beneficial organisms, so non-chlorinated is ideal. Now add some fully or partially decomposed manure or compost. This manure or compost will be loaded with microbes, and it's what we'll use to populate the charcoal with life. Stir everything well to make sure the charcoal is evenly soaked and mixed with the compost. Then, cover the bucket loosely with a lid. Let this mixture sit for about a week, giving the microbes time to multiply and settle into their new charcoal home. During this week, the microbes will multiply rapidly, drawn to the charcoal's porous structure. This setup will create a powerful microbe-rich material you can add to your garden soil. But before you're ready to apply it, we need to prepare the bed itself to receive all those new beneficial organisms and nutrients. After a week, your charcoal mixture should be full of life and ready to go. Now it's time to get your bed prepped. If the soil in your bed is compacted, grab a shovel and start loosening it up. Compacted soil makes it hard for roots to grow, and by turning the soil, you'll create a fluffy texture that's perfect for plant and roots and soil organisms. With the soil loosened, you'll want to add a few essential amendments to give your plants a nutritious foundation. Compost is fantastic because it provides both nutrients and organic material, helping soil structure. Bone meal is another great addition, as it offers a slow release of essential nutrients like phosphorus and calcium, which are crucial for root and plant growth. Spread both the compost and bone meal over the bed and mix them well into the soil. Once everything is mixed and leveled, it's time for the final step, applying your microbe-loaded charcoal mixture. Take the mixture from the bucket and mix it thoroughly to ensure everything is evenly combined. Then, spread the mixture evenly over the prepared bed. This charcoal layer will become a long-term microbial reservoir in your garden, nourishing plants and improving soil quality for years. By spreading it over your bed, you're creating a living, nutrient-rich environment where plants can thrive. The microbes will continue breaking down organic matter in the soil, steadily releasing nutrients and creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. Your garden bed is now filled with nutrients and thriving with life, ready to support strong and healthy growth. You've taken lifeless, poor soil and transformed it into something rich and full of potential, creating a home for beneficial organisms that will keep the bed healthy over time. Remember, when you try this method, you're setting up your garden for long-term success. The microbes in the charcoal will continue to improve soil quality season after season, giving you a productive garden for years to come. If you want to keep learning about soil building techniques, fertilizers, and other garden tips, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips and tutorials.